I consider has been, over the past weeks maybe, a systematic and targeted attack on the first family members. Systematic, targeted attacks on the first family members. ZANU-PF has noted with concern the systematic, well choreographed and sponsored attacks on the integrity of the first family by unscrupulous characters such as Hopewell Chingono, this time targeting the president's son. We are aware that these baseless attacks did not start today, but need to stop forthwith. From false allegations that the First Lady's convoy hit a child in Kwekwe, to that one of his sons that he has interest in Drugs International, all of which have not been backed up by any evidence except publication of pictures involving a Delish Nguwaya. We warn the public and those writing these lies to stop. The president has posed for photos with various business players, both local and international, particularly those donating for COVID-19, as a gesture of appreciation. This cannot therefore translate to owning, knowing, or working with those businesses, either personally or otherwise. We therefore wish to advise false news peddlers and our detractors to desist forthwith from perpetrating desperate character assassinations and shenanigans.